Byron, Illinois. Drag racer Rob Lacroix considers himself the king of the wheelies.
Nothing stands in my way when I'm there and I'm in my car and I'm ready to go.
His claim to fame is balancing his souped-up machine on its rear tires, longer than any other driver.
The object of a wheel stand is to get your car as vertical as possible. Something not a lot of other drivers can do, but it's my specialty.
But today, he revs up on a track that's still wet from a storm. And his signature move will cost him. Just seconds after gunning his engine to 60, Rob's car flies into the air and flips over.
Things were flying, oil was spewing, doors were coming off the car.
The smoking heap of metal skates 100 yards before grinding to a halt.
I had debris coming into my helmet, into my eyes, and I physically went like this to rub the debris out of my eyes, and I guess that motion pinched my seatbelt and my neck brace and lost oxygen to my brain, which made me unconscious.
The slick track, combined with the rear thrust of a 650 horsepower engine, causes the vehicle to hydroplane almost instantly.
I heard carnage. Carnage of metal and fiberglass and parts flying off of my car as I'm rolling upside down.
Rescuers run to Rob's aid, expecting the worst. An emergency crew tries to pry him loose from the wreckage. Rob comes to with a start and panics.
Listen to me. I do not want you to move.
This accident would seriously injure most people. But the king of the wheelies holds on to his crown.
I suffered no physical injuries, no mental injuries, no pride injuries.
His desire to get his hot rod standing tall left this wheelie popper lying low.